In this video, I'm going to show you how to create or make group chat on iPhone. So if you have a group of people you want to send the same, or you want to have a conversation with and you want them to receive the message at the same time so that they too can respond to the message, then you can do this using the messaging app on your iPhone. So you don't need to use WhatsApp or Telegram or even Facebook. Now, to make a group chat on iPhone, all you need to do is open the messaging app on your iPhone, then click on the new messaging icon at the top right. Here you'll be prompted to create a new message. Now, 2 is where you can actually add the contact of the receivers. That is the group you want to add to your messaging app on your iPhone. Then go ahead and add these people. Then once you add the number or contact of the people you want to add to the group chat, you can still click on this plus icon to add more people if you still want to add a lot of people to this. Then come here and type your message. Good morning, guys. So once you type your message, all you need to do is just hit the send button. Then this message will be sent to this group. Now you can rename this group, customize the group by clicking on the group just like this. Then here you go. You see the number of people here. Click on this. These are the people on the contact. You can add other contacts here to add to the group chat. Here, show and share with you. Then you can hide the alerts or make sure everyone receive alert whenever there is a message in the group. Then you can also delete and block this conversation if you don't want to. However, there is a name to change and add photos, a customized photos to this group. Just click on change name and photo. Once you click that, you see a pop-up here. Then you can choose any of these emoji or come here to take a picture by using your iPhone camera, or click on this icon to select pictures from your gallery. Then once you select the picture, you want to make sure you adjust the picture to fit into this. Just zoom out the picture just like this, move and scale. Then once you are done, click on choose. Then you should see the profile picture here. Mark you, before you set this profile picture, you need to know that everyone in the group, able to see the profile picture and see the group chat name. Then click on the done button. There you go. Then you can now enter the group name here, family. Let's say family. Then there you go. Then click on the done button. Then once you hit the done button, if you see the profile picture comes up here, and then this is the group chat name, and that is family. Then click on the done button. There you go. Then you should have everything set up in this group or conversation. Whenever you send a message to these people just like this, everyone on the list will receive the same message at once. So this is how to make a group chat on iPhone. If you find this helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.